It's the final day. Boo-doo-boo-boo. Boo-doo-boo-boo-boo. Boo-doo-boo-boo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Just feel like a brand new me, and I can finally see clearly. I know now what it is I want and who it is I wanna be.
So funny. It's hilarious.
Apparently I went, scream, shout, we are the fallen angels.
And that was it. She just stopped after that. And then she didn't wake up.
Yep. No, the funny thing is I would have been so surprised if I said the actual lyrics because I barely know that song.
Those are the lyrics.
Yeah, I know, but I meant like the full song.
Oh.
You just started, if you started to sing the full song, I would have woken you up and been like, shut up.
Did you wake up from your alarm? Because I had to like crawl over you to turn it off.
I didn't.
You need to like check your alarms before you go to bed.
Yeah. You're gonna be like, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
If I set an alarm, I get like hyper anxious and I like can't sleep properly if it's like super early. I'm like, I have to wake up at 6 o'clock. It's bad.
Whatever's in here. Fork, knife,
yes.
We have to check out in an hour.
Oh,
Thank you. Cheers.
okay.
I think we should leave it.
That's fine. That one definitely is broken.
And that lamp is malfunctioning because you stole the light bulb from it.
Well, I figured, like, this light bulb, this lamp works, right? All they have to do is put a light bulb in it, and they'll go, it's fine. That one doesn't work. So if they try and put the light bulb in that, and it doesn't work, and it will, like, jiggle around, and they're like, oh no, that's broken. You know?
Ashland logic. We have officially checked out of the hotel.
Free hot chocolate time!
Yay! We are at an impasse with the iced chocolate. We are sort of conning our way onto a bus. We're still having to pay, but like, we're gonna try and con our way onto a bus. Because we have no smart riders.
It's not a smart riding happen.
Ashland has just been the most comedic relief throughout this whole trip.
What, because you keep shoving the camera in my face? That wasn't an invitation.
Is this the bus? I think it is. That was an adventure and a half. Ah.
Why didn't you take
my iced chocolate?
I just filmed it.
Oh. It's so depressing. We are in IKEA. Fast growing bamboo. Does that mean it'll grow? Yeah. Wacha, 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 wacha.
Been introduced.
Oh, I've got. We've all got a panda each.
All I bought on this trip was stuffed animals. I literally have a tiny squid.
I got stuffed animals and books. That was my journey.
I got.
Anyway, we're currently in the cafeteria. I really hope we didn't pick up COVID from this trip.
We're stuck here.
What are you doing, Em?
I was just squishing my panda's head ready.
Oh, he's so cute. I've got hockey training tonight.
I got work at 7:30 tomorrow morning.
I'm so tired. But this is an adorable little toy.
It's time to drink my McDonald's apple juice.
It's time. It's finally time for the apple juice. On the last day. The last day. The day where we go to the airport.
And they'd throw it out if I didn't drink it.
Otherwise, Ashlyn would totally bring it back to Perth with her.
I was debating putting it in my suitcase.
How good is it?
It's pretty good.
Apple juice is yummy. Almost got run over by a car. It was fun. Almost getting run over by cars is fun. I know I'm not cool. I'm not saying that I'm cool, I'm just saying it's fun. We made it to the airport at last. We made it. We walked so far, or walked in confusing windiness, and we came back to where we got our Uber. Water's yummy. Anyway, see you when we find the terminal. I'm back to kicking my bag like I did when I was in Perth. How would you rate your experience in Adelaide?
Very good. I had a good time.
What was your favourite part?
Elevator.
Oh, elevator.
Probably the concert. That was pretty fun.
Honestly, yeah. Go. I'm going. Now we're lost again in the airport. Jetstar. Okay. Weigh me. Just over 20. Okay, Ashlyn. Oh, just under. Okay, Emily. How? 5.5. Ashlyn. Mine's less than 7 kilos by 0.5. We're weighing Ashlyn's bag. 4.02.
Print boarding pass. Printing for
satisfying me.
This is a process. This is the final bag tag. Nice.
I feel like I've forgotten something, but like I'm sure it'll be fine.
Oh god, I'm confused.
Just peel. Yes.
Oh, I did it.
And then put it through here. Or there. Time for bag drop. Oh, we scan our boarding passes that we conveniently put away. Bye bye bag. Oh, it's my go. Through the airport to get on a plane to Perth. To Perth, to Perth, to Perth, to Perth. A wonderful plane to Perth. Perth. There's our flight. Perth.
Apparently a bunch of Jetstar flights got cancelled, so I'm really hoping ours doesn't get cancelled.
If ours gets cancelled, I'ma cry. Still,
I'm not going to make it to work tomorrow.
I don't have to work until Monday, so I'm sure my boss would be like,
I have hockey training, and then I'm going out tomorrow. Yeah.
I work at 7:30. I die.
Okay. We're having a crisis.
why is it 0 and 2?
Why is it 0 and 2? Oh my. Malfunction.
Where?
Ashlyn bumping into strangers. Going to security.
We're in the normal line. We didn't get to go.
We really want to make it back to Perth. We have a lot of shit on.
I don't. I don't have anything until Monday. I think I have a shift on Monday. I haven't been home in like 2 weeks.
Oh, true. You can say hello to your bro and your mom and your dad.
Not Bandit. Oh, also Bandit.
Oh yeah, and Bandit. You can't forget about Bandit.
I took Bandit with me when I left, though, so it's only been a few days since
Okay, I should probably put my camera down before someone tells me to like stop recording. Yeah. So we'll see you after the dreaded walk. We found this place called Muffin Break.
You know Muffin Break is like a chain, right?
I'm joking. I meant like if we found Muffin Break in the airport. It goes on for ages. Anyway, we're sitting here and chilling and eating.
I think I'm gonna fall asleep.
You look like you're gonna fall asleep. You can see the tiredness in her eyes.
Yeah.
Then we have Emily, who looks like she's barely holding on a thread of sanity.
I'm really gripping.
Hello. This is meant to be a dramatic speech. I don't know what I'm doing? We are coming to the end of our long journey of 5 days. This is our 5th day. We are at the airport currently drinking coffee and eating muffins at muffin break. It has been a great day, a great holiday. We went to Black Veil Brides, a gothic concert. We went to the Botanical Gardens, 3 museums, mod, sculptures, history thing, and then art museum. We went to the zoo. The pandas are adorable. Yes, a lot of shopping that added up to a lot of money. Anyway, that is coming to the end of my dramatic speech. Thank you for following our 5-day journey. No, this isn't going to be the end. This is a mid-ending. It's a mid-ending. It is not the end, it is just the beginning. I feel like I've been running for a million years. I look like a weirdo. Talking into the phone. Look at this deliciousness. Oh my god, I need a minute. These are so spicy, not spicy, so expensive. Look at these Skittles. So expensive. I now have my airport snacks. I shall put the Mentos in my pocket. I shall eat these sparingly on the plane, or I will have them before I get on the plane. That seems more like me. Now I will take the really long trek back to gate 25. After 100 years, I have come back.
It's been about 5 minutes.
Shut up.
You should get
Skittles. You can never take advantage of time. Drink wisely. Drink responsibly. We leave the line for 5 minutes to go to the bathroom and get water. And look at that monstrosity of a line. Final countdown. This is so cool, we're going home. Vlog update, we are officially on our flight back to Perth. We're about to take off, Ashlyn. We're leaving for Perth. We're landing! Yay! Yay! We're home. We're home. We're home. Ah! We're off the plane. Yep. Prepared to go home and sleep forever. While we wait for the bagging claims, do you have hiccup.
Do you have hiccups? No.
Do you have any passing remarks for this? Because we're almost at our journeys. Oh
my god. Pandas are just as good in real life. They're just like better.
Honestly, yes. Pandas are a win. What about you?
What am I doing?
Passing remarks about this holiday. Ignoring my hiccups.
I really want to go give that dog a hug, but he's working.
Oh, he's so cute. It wouldn't have been fun if we didn't have all 3 of us. If we didn't have each other. We learned one thing from the trip. The classic, couldn't do it without your friend's speech. Anyway.
Good times all round.
We're waiting for the bags. The conveyor belt isn't working, so Emily is considering possibly leaving us.
Yeah, I'll probably leave
because her parents are here, but they went to the wrong terminal, as she just said. Yes.
Another adventure awaits.
Another adventure awaits. Say bye to Emily.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Emily. It's going deep. Does that mean it's working? Guys, I found my suitcase. It may have been there the whole time. I have no clue. We're turning left and going to Terminal 3. But most important thing is, we've got Ashlyn check, her suitcase check, her phone check, her sneakers, etc. We've all got Ashlyn check, her backpack. We've got Amy check, hat check, suitcase. We're going to the taxi, or like just beyond that sort of thing. I think that's my mom.
Killing me, I just wanna leave her. When they ask if I'm okay, if deep into your eyes, I can read your thoughts. So shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't. And I don't need another loss.
We're in the car!
Yes, we are.
Eventually, after an adventure of trying to get to the car.
So where was your bag? The conveyor belt wasn't working, so they were just unloading it by hand and kind of just throwing them into the terminal. Oh. And then apparently Amy's bag had been sitting there for a while.
Well, I don't know if it had been sitting there for a while, but
we didn't see anyone put it down.
Okay, no. So I'm going to assume it was probably there for a while. Hey, quick update. We are officially home. Well, I'm officially home. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog over the past couple of days of our trip in Adelaide, and hope you like, follow, subscribe, and just tune in for more content. And we have our socials down in the bio as well, with our Discord, Twitter, etc, etc. Like, be part of the family, it's fun. Until next time.